A voyage of luxury begins under a deceptively calm sea. Yet the ocean conceals illusions that can awaken without warning.
Even the most advanced instruments cannot always predict nature's fury.
The first warning is subtle, but it grows with every passing second.
A perfect circle of chaos emerges, a natural trap unlike anything seen before.
Fear spreads faster than the storm itself, hearts racing against time.
The call for help pierces the storm's roar, reaching those trained to respond. Every second counts when a vessel teeters on the edge of oblivion.
Prepared for the worst. Elite teams prepare to face the ocean's wrath.
Not just that! Leadership is tested as panic threatens to overtake reason.
Into the eye of the tempest, rescuers fly toward the impossible.
From above, the scale of nature's illusion becomes terrifyingly clear.
Inside the ship, chaos and water claim every unprepared corner.
Every movement precise, every second critical.
Human fear becomes palpable in the shadow of the ocean's vortex.
Courage is measured not in absence of fear, but in the choice to act.
The ocean tightens its grip, reminding all of its indifferent power.
Split-second decisions determine life or death.
Coordination in chaos demands absolute focus.
Every action, a battle against time and tide.
Above the maelstrom, the rescue team fights wind, rain, and spinning currents. Precision under peril defines these heroes' mission.
Trust is fragile in the storm's embrace.
The ship becomes a labyrinth of danger, each corridor a potential tomb. Mechanical precision must align with human courage.
Every lift is a triumph over chaos.
Nature tests every intervention, challenging human resolve.
Mistakes are unforgiving, yet training prevails. Even as water claims decks, fire joins the assault. Focus narrows to immediate survival, one step at a time.
Life and death dance in tandem.
Extraction is relentless, each second a fight against gravity and nature. The vessel's integrity fades under pressure, each second more critical.
The sea hurls obstacles without mercy.
Even machines bend under the storm's power.
Heat and chaos compound fear.
Every maneuver is calculated, balancing risk and reward.
Bravery manifests in motion, not words.
Trust and timing define each life saved.
The abyss seems ready to swallow all in its path.
Coordination is tested under extreme conditions.
Chaos is met with trained resolve. Every breath counts, every pulse monitored.
Fear is tangible. Courage is contagious.
No corner is safe. Every compartment a potential disaster.
From above, the scale of danger is breathtaking.
Every lift brings relief, tempered by urgency. The ocean punishes even the most cautious moves.
Hands trained to save battle against tide, smoke, and fear.
Flight itself becomes a test of precision and nerve.
Nature's wrath begins to relent, granting fragile hope.
One last challenge remains. Every heartbeat critical.
Even the final moments demand unwavering focus. Bravery often manifests in selfless action.
Extraction complete, yet the cost is etched into memory.
The tempest yields to the dawn, leaving silence and reflection. Life restored through skill and swift action. Relief and gratitude blend into the first moments of safety.
Sacrifice is never forgotten, etched forever in memory.
Calm returns, fragile and precious. The vessel bears the scars of nature's fury. Survival brings recovery, yet trauma lingers.
The heroes of the day carry both relief and fatigue.
The whirlpool fades, leaving only ripples as testament.
Symbols of courage endure beyond the storm.
Leadership and resilience defined the ordeal. The sea remains, indifferent yet forgiving in its calm. In the aftermath, humanity remembers its fragility and strength.
A mission completed, a testament to courage and coordination.
The ocean's illusions are powerful, but prepared hearts and skilled hands prevail.